Welcome to POSable. Everything is possible with POSable, the Android POS app. Today I am going to show you the features of the app through to taking a sale. Here we are on the PIN login screen. To enter the app, you will first need to create a user in your admin dashboard. I have already created my PIN, so I'm going to press the submit button and log in. We are now logged into the app. Starting at the top, we have from right to left the settings button, which opens the settings modal. This shows you all the settings you can change for the tablet you are using, such as printer type, card payment provider, and theme. You can save these locally, and these settings will remain in place until a new sync is made from the main database. If you wish for settings to remain intact permanently, you need to set them in the main admin dashboard. This settings section is useful should you, for example, need to switch payment provider during the day. Next, we have the search bar. You can search for a product here, type in the word in a product, press the search button, and it will list your products that contain that word. For example, fudge lists all products that contain the word fudge in them and displays them in the categories and products panel. We can now select the product we are looking for and add it to the current orders panel. Pressing the back button will return you to the categories listing. Next, we have your sales today total, and then the manual sync button. The manual sync button pulls everything from the main database onto the tablet, which is useful when a product is out of stock, a price changes, a new product is added, or a flash promotion is created. Syncing all your data to the tablet also means that if you have to go offline, your products, pricing, and promotions will stay up to date on the tablet. Syncing automatically takes place upon login, so manual syncs only need to be done when staff are active on a tablet. Then we have the logout button. This opens a modal that requires you to give the logout reason. For example, a member of staff is going for their lunch break. This enables you to record staff usage on each tablet device. Now we can move to the categories and products panel and proceed with making a sale. Selecting a category will display its products. Pressing a product adds it to the current order panel, and pressing it again increases the quantity. Pressing the back button returns you to the category selection. We also have the popular hot products panel. Here are all your assigned hot products, the products that you sell regularly, so that you can skip the categories lookup process and add them quickly to the current order. You can remove a product by pressing the trash can icon, and you can increase or decrease the quantity using the plus and minus buttons. As you add a product, we can see a clear total due amount displayed here, which leads us to the final payment part of the sale. At any time, you can use the hold button to clear the current purchase. This is useful when the customer has forgotten something, as it lets you serve another customer quickly while they grab what else they need. Pressing the hold button again returns their order to the panel for completion. If the customer decides they no longer wish to make the purchase, you can press the no sale button, which instantly clears the order. Now let's finalize the sale. Pressing the card button will launch the card payment process with your selected card payment provider. We will have a tutorial on our YouTube channel showing the method for MyPOS and Stripe payments. If the customer is paying in cash, you can use the tendered amount buttons to display the amount due in change. This is shown in the tender and change fields. Processing cash payments using these buttons also means the amount tendered will be displayed on the purchase receipt, should they require it. Split payments are also an option here, should the customer wish to pay in cash and by card. Pressing split payments opens a dialog that first asks for the amount to be paid in cash. Then the remaining amount due by card will automatically be sent through to the card terminal. Finally, the last part of a sale is the receipt modal. Receipts are not automatically printed. This allows the option to provide a receipt, reducing waste. Opting for yes will print a receipt using a Bluetooth or USB connected printer. If a customer says no to a receipt and then changes their mind, hit the reprint button here to bring up a list of recent sales. The latest will be at the bottom of the modal, and you can press the print button. That completes the sale. The sales total has been updated, and the sale is also automatically synced to the admin dashboard. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't done so, sign up for your 15-day free trial of POSable, as everything is possible with POSable.